Well, if you're looking to buy a home or maybe you need to refinance one, now might be a great time to get that financing squared away with a personalized mortgage loan. The professionals at Ideal Home Loan are standing by. They're waiting to take your call as we speak. They're there right now. I can see them. To help you understand this tricky home loan world, Brent Ivinson of Ideal Home Loans is here with us this morning. Okay. Why you guys? There's a lot of choices out there, Brent. Okay.
There is. There's a lot of choices. We're a direct mortgage banker. So what that means is we're lending our own money. So where that's a big advantage for the consumer is when we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, we can guarantee all those things because it's coming internally from our organization. When you go deal with a mortgage broker, they're a middleman out negotiating on your behalf with several banks. So you lose some of that control and you lose some of that cost savings too. Since we are eliminating the middleman and lending directly to the consumer, we oftentimes find that we have lower fees, lower interest rates, and that translates into lower monthly payments for our clients.
Which is really the bottom line. Let's talk about rates. What are they at right now?
30-year fixed rates are great. We are at 3.375% today. Now, we saw rates go to 3.25% right after everything happened with Brexit and what went on in Europe. That's the lowest level we ever saw rates hit, was 3.25%. So when you consider we're only 1/8% off of that historic low mark, whether you're buying, whether you're refinancing, it's a great time.
It's not going to go any lower.
No, I don't think so.
I
Although
mean, seriously?
We didn't think it was going to go lower this time either. So,
but even then, I mean, even if it does, it's still a little bit helps every time. But wow, it's just not going to get any better than the time right now. Walk us through the process. Somebody calls. What should they be prepared to give you to get this process going?
Really, we're just going to have a conversation. You saw our lending advisors here on TV, and they're really here to just answer your questions, and more importantly, to walk you through this process to find out what your short-term and long-term goals are. You'll see the term lending advisor. It's different than loan officer, and the reason being, we really want to structure a mortgage product that works for you rather than you working for your home loan. This can be a valuable financial planning tool, but it's got to be used the right way, and we have to know what your short-term and long-term goals are to do that.
All right. Well, somebody calls in, maybe they have a lot of equity to work with. Is that a good thing, a bad thing? How do you help with that?
For sure. You know, we've seen home values going up all over the valley, so it's a great time, and you've got the perfect storm. Rates are at historic low levels. Equity is up. Put that equity to work. Get rid of things like credit card debt, mortgage insurance. Get those things taken care of. We have clients saving significantly, some over $1,000 each and every month. And again, we'd never advocate stretching your debt out over 30 years. We'll show you how to take a portion of your savings, apply it back towards your home loan, so you can pay your house and your debt off sooner rather than later.
So, I mean, just doing the numbers on that, when you've got an interest rate so low and a credit card's at 20% or 28% in some cases, it's almost like a no-brainer. You guys do this thing called a custom term mortgage. What does that mean?
Well, the way this works, we went to our own clients, and so many of them weren't taking advantage of the interest rate market we're seeing right now, and the reason being is they didn't want to start over. Maybe they had 18 years left to pay on their home currently. They wanted to refinance for a new 18-year loan, and so that's not typically available in the marketplace. We created that for our clients. So if you're someone that's got 12 years left to pay your house off, 18 years, 22 years, we can give you a loan for that period of time so that you can take advantage of lower interest rates and lower payments while still paying your house off as scheduled originally. So gone are the days where you have to go backwards when you refinance.
Okay, 30 seconds left. Tell me about, you said a recent viewer called in, and how did you help them?
Well, they wanted to go to a 20-year loan. They had 6.5, or they were 3.5 years into a 30-year mortgage. We took them to a 20, consolidated some debt. Not only are they paying their house off more quickly, they're saving over $500 a month in the process. So shortening their term and saving money every month.
That's a really nice car payment right there.
Definitely.
All right, Brent, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Let me give you some information. Ideal Home Loans, they have a special offer for you, our Sonoran Living viewers. They have record low rates, and you call today, they will give you a free consultation. And guess what? Your first payment, that won't be due until November. Here's the number to call, 602-899-7000, or learn more at idealhomeloans.com.